we would also want to know your thoughts on the tariff talks and the industry impact with India and US currently, which is negotiating the rollback on tariffs on medical device. What do you foresee the potential outcomes for the same, and how might they impact the innovation, access, and investment in the Indian MedTech sector, according to you?
So, US is the biggest investor in MedTech in India. That means the maximum amount of FDI comes from US. It comes in manufacturing also. It comes in back office and R&D and training, etc. also. So if you look at the FDI in MedTech, which has been climbing, you will see that sometimes 40% of the FDI in a particular year might be coming just from US, or maybe more sometimes, or one company. One of our member companies, Medtronic, brought in $350 million for their Hyderabad R&D setup, and the total FDI usually is south of $1 billion. We have not crossed the $1 billion mark yet. So US has a strong contribution. How it will impact innovation, access, and investment? So innovation, though the Indian MedTech market is only 1.5% of the total global market, the Indian R&D MedTech spend is nearly 6% of the total global spend. So a strong impetus on R&D is already there. We are as big as, let me say, China or Germany in terms of size of investment in R&D from global players, and 4 times the size of our market. So this will grow. It will also grow because of the fact that AI, IoT, big data, etc. are very strongly developing in India also. So there will be good support from the engineering enterprise of India in these spaces. And these technologies are operating at the cutting edge of medical device innovation. The access, you said, naturally if custom duties go down, the access to products improves, and we hope that the custom duties will go down. And investment in India MedTech sector, I already told you that US is a big contributor, and I'm sure this good FTA between the two countries will make FDI grow.